Much of your life will be spent gathering assets and accumulating wealth. One day you'll want to pass on your wealth to others. That's where an estate plan comes into play. An estate plan can help ensure the simple, tax-efficient, and organized transfer of your assets to loved ones when you pass away. Without one, your assets may not go to the individuals that you wanted or in the manner you intended. Once you have a basic understanding of estate plans, you'll realize that putting one together doesn't always need to be complicated. When you start developing your estate plan, there's a lot to think about. As a starting point, here are some of the basics you'll need to consider. The foundation of a properly constructed estate plan is your will, a legal declaration of how you want to distribute your property and possessions at death. If you die without a will, you will be deemed to have died intestate. Ultimately, the court will appoint someone to administer and distribute your estate according to the intestacy laws of the province in which you reside. You have essentially forfeited your say on how things are divided and who will be in charge of the process. Naming a beneficiary other than your estate directly on an insurance contract, such as a segregated fund contract, can also be part of a comprehensive estate plan. This allows the death benefit proceeds to be paid quickly and directly to your beneficiary and bypass your estate. By sidestepping your estate, you avoid probate and estate administration fees where applicable and potential delays in the distribution of your estate. Minimizing the taxes you owe at death is another important reason to have an estate plan. Remember that the government will consider you to have sold all of your assets at fair market value at death, which could trigger significant capital gains. This may result in a large tax bill. However, there are strategies you can employ within your estate plan to minimize the taxes due and have assets bypass your estate. Here are some examples. Maximize asset rollovers. These are asset transfers to your spouse that defer capital gains. Get advice on setting up a trust to ensure your beneficiaries are well looked after. Give gifts of cash or possessions while you're still alive. Consider charitable donations to create valuable tax benefits. Buy life insurance that is paid out to a named beneficiary on a tax-free basis. And restructure investments with insurance companies so that assets can bypass your estate. Why not contact your advisor so you can determine exactly what is in your estate, then devise your plan?